Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, I want to work on a nice little simple spread with you guys. We're using the journal book that we created together. We did this simple cover on a 3-ring binder from the Dollar Tree. I showed you guys how I did that. I will link the video if you guys missed it. Very simple to create, very easy. It turned out absolutely beautiful. I love how this book turned out, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I also showed you guys, in the event that you're not able to purchase a binder, how to create a very simple, easy little journal book using envelopes. And I also showed you guys on how to put this together. So I will link that at the bottom of this video, just in case you want to learn on how to create your own little envelope journal. It's very simple to create, very simple. Okay, so I just finished doing this little spread right here. I created a little Twinkie spread. I also added my beautiful little embellishment that we made together. We created this embellishment on our last tutorial, and I showed you guys how to make this very simple little embellishment, less than like 5 minutes. And I also showed you guys how to make this one as well. So I will also link, all the links are going to be at the bottom of this video in the event that you want to go back and you want to see how to create some of these projects, okay? So we are going to be working on this side of the page. I wanted to add something here, and I kind of already know what I want to do, sort of, kind of. So I'm using this magazine. It's called Halloween Ideas. If you guys watch my video, you would know already why I'm using this magazine. So I'm going to pick out a image that I already kind of caught my attention before. And let me see if I find it. I should have probably, oh, this one. So I thought this was so cute. This is like a reef, like a cat reef, and I thought it was adorable. So I want to actually do a spread on this adorable little reef, okay? So let's do that. It's a really big reef, by the way. So I'm going to fuzzy cut it. First I'm going to cut this here because it says here Black Cat Fever, and I want to add that to the spread. So I want to put that on the side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fuzzy cut this cat reef, and I'm going to glue it down to my spread. So all I do, and by the way, I'm going to use this here, this here, this, and this. I might use these little pieces to add to the spread. We'll see. So let's fuzzy cut the cat reef. It doesn't have to be perfect, again. This is such a cute little image. Okay, now let's do this side over here. Okay, and there you have it. Now it's fuzzy cut. Now you can go back around if you want, and you can kind of fix some things around if you want. You could actually make it smaller if you think it's too big. I'm going to cut out a little bit more of the tail because it kind of looks... Okay. Okay, so I think that looks good. You see that? How easily I fuzzy cut it? I think it looks adorable. That looks so cute right there. I love it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna actually glue him down right there. How cute is that? I love it. Okay, so I'm going to also fuzzy cut this little, it says Black Cat Fever. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very tiny, but it says Black Cat Fever, okay? I'm going to actually lay that down, but I'm gonna put a white little border so it can kind of stand out a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this right here, which is just a sticker backing, and I'm just gonna cut out a little piece so I can layer that little sign so it can kind of stick out a little better. Okay, so I'm going to basically glue this down here, and then I'm going to put that there. So it's going to stick out a little bit better. Let's add some double-sided tape on this. And then let's glue this down to the sign. Okay. You can see it better that way. I'm going to cut it out a little bit more on the side. And then I'm going to layer it again using this polka dot paper, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to layer that down again, okay? Again, some double-sided tape on the back. I'm going to layer this down here. And I'm going to cut this out just a tab. Okay, and just try to make it as straight as possible. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add it like this sideways because it's not gonna fit unless I put it down here. We can put it down here also. That doesn't look like a bad idea either, right? We could do that. Let's do that down here. All right, so let's add some double-sided tape. gonna add this. Down here. Okay, right there. See that? That looks cute. Let's glue down our cat. So the cat's tail, right between the word married, first married. So that's my guideline. So that's where I know where I should more or less lay the cat down when I'm ready to glue it to the paper. Okay, let's see here. It says married, first time, first married. I think, holy crap. Hold on one second. Too close to the edge here. I don't want to be too close to the edge because I don't want my cat to bend too much. Okay, I think that's good there. Okay, perfect. Let's see if I close this. It should be okay. All right, I can always cut out my cat a little bit so it doesn't stick out too much. All right, but that's the idea. He's so cute. I love him. Okay, and then I have a few other things here that I can actually use if I really want to. Let's see here. I can probably come in here. See what else I have that I can use. Happy Halloween. I like this. It says, hey pumpkin. Even though this is not a pumpkin, this is a cat, but it just looks cute when it says there, hey pumpkin. I think we'll do that. That really caught my attention. And I think that looks cute. So I'm gonna cut this hey pumpkin out. And then I'm gonna add this right here. And I think I'm done with this layout. It's very simple, but I like to keep it simple because I tend to like go really crazy with these layouts sometimes, and then it just looks like I'm all over sometimes. So I like to kind of guide myself and not go too crazy. I like this. It's so cute. Hey pumpkin. That is so cute. Okay, and then we're done. And that's like how I kind of put together my spreads. I may go back later and if I find something that I think that would look nice in this page, I would probably go back later and add more stuff. Or if I come across like a sticker that I think would look cute here, I would layer it back. I will add it back later if I feel that would look good with the spread. But at the moment, I think I like the way this looks. I'm going to keep this for now because I can probably use this on another layout, but I will definitely keep it in mind that I have it, because if I don't use it, then I'm just going to get rid of it. I have, like you see here, again, I could go crazy with this, and I have so many of these little tiny cutouts and layouts and all these little papers here that I've like literally have no idea how I'm going to use them, but I do cut them out just to give myself some something to work with in the event that I'm kind of stuck on putting a layout together. I can always come back here and kind of put something together if I feel like I have no ideas on what I can do. But for the meantime, this is what I did. I like the way it looks. It's such a pretty layout. It's so simple, but it's so pretty. I love this cat. I think it's so cute. And I also love my little Twinkie little page. I think that's cute too. I think I'm going to actually move this Twinkie page to another, because I want to keep these kind of, I might want to just add this Twinkie page back here, because I want to take a picture of these that I made, and I want to actually add it here. So I'll do that. I have already a picture that I need to, develop, and I'm going to add it to this page right here. So this way it goes with each other. And then here, I'm just gonna go later on and do some other layouts that I think will look really cute here. All right, my loves, I hope that you guys had fun watching me put together this very simple layout, just to give you an idea of how I do this. Make sure you guys subscribe, thumbs up, comment, let me know what you guys think about this layout. If you guys create your own little book, I hope that you tag me on Instagram so I can see your beautiful layouts. And I hope that I bring you some inspiration. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all, and please be safe. Bye, honey bunnies.